story before you go outside? Yesterday, I saw your friends outside playing with lots of toys. They went potty, and then they came inside and got lots of treats and cookies and dinner. You want to go outside now? You think you get treats if you go back in? Yeah? Anyway, then after dinner, they went for a walk. And when they got home, they went to see Mama. They snuggled and had lots of treats and went to bed. Okay, so yesterday, you don't even want to hear my story, do you? April! Don't you want to hear my story? No? Not even if it involves, like, treats and stuff? April, treat! Sit. Sit. April, sit.